Yutorie Atami House, a bold renovation project tucked in the hills of Atami, Japan. Originally built in the 1950s as a quiet retreat with its own natural hot spring bath, this abandoned wooden home has been reimagined by architect Naoshi Kondo with a playful mix of intuition, experimentation, and creative spontaneity. Instead of following typical renovation rules, Kondo embraced unexpected choices that give the house a distinctive identity, turning it into a unique lodging and creative space that feels both surprising and inspiring. The property consists of two buildings, the original single-story wooden house and a two-story annex. After the renovation, the main house functions as a studio with one guest room, while the annex accommodates up to 6 guests and includes a cafe on the upper floor. From the outside, one of the most striking features is the wooden house partly wrapped in a massive layer of mortar, an unusual and almost surreal design move that Kondo made purely from instinct. This thick mortar shell blurs the line between structure and sculpture, shaping an experience that invites visitors to interpret the space in their own way. Inside the guest rooms, the design takes an unexpected turn towards semi-luxury. Rounded forms in built-ins and furniture, paired with subtle gold details, contrast sharply with the rustic exterior. These graphic, almost whimsical touches add rhythm and personality to the spaces, highlighting Kondo's background in multidisciplinary design. The result is an interior that feels warm, refined, and visually memorable, far from the simple, modest dormitory style typical of traditional Japanese gasakujo. The studio space continues this theme of contrast. The upper half preserves the raw character of an old Japanese folk house, with exposed beams and insulation left visible. Meanwhile, the lower half is completely modern and minimal, defined by monochrome surfaces and bold compositions. A floating white concrete wall stands like an art object, reinforcing the idea of cut-and-paste layers throughout the home. With its mix of old and new, rough and refined, Yutorie Atami House offers guests a thought-provoking stay that sparks curiosity and encourages a fresh way of experiencing architecture.